Hello guys and welcome back to another video. So today I want to talk about how to get started in investing in the stock market as a beginner. Okay, so for me personally what I did was I think you have to focus on the fundamentals first. So start off by choosing a company in which you like, a company which you've been following for some while, for example like Tesla. Say you're interested in their cars. Understand their balance sheet. So understand the assets that they have, the liabilities that they have, how they're doing in terms of their earnings. Follow their quarterly earnings reports, which you can find on Yahoo. You can find just when you search online, honestly, in the news, you can find it anywhere. Also, understand their management system, who's in charge, who's doing what, the track history of their management team, and how that affects the company right now and what the future goals of the company are and their future projections. I think this is a great way of getting started in seeing value of a company. Once you see value of a company, then you can actually put your own money into that company. So, like I said, look at the earnings, look at their liabilities, their assets, how they fare in their markets. Are they dominant? For example, Tesla, now they're very dominant in their market. Are they up and coming? Are they a startup? You really gotta judge that for yourself. And then I suggest you start by paper trading in the beginning. Paper trading is a very good way to get into the market without having that emotional aspect to it. So if you start with Trade 212, there's a trading mode in which you have £50,000 up to which you can trade. And you can use any brokerage for this for a trading account, so just do your own research. And I think this is another great way of getting started because it takes away the emotional aspect, so you can focus on the trades and focus on the value of the company. And then once you feel comfortable with that, then invest your own money. So it's all about having an interest in the company, having an interest in understanding the value of the company, and then going forward from there. So it's just a little short update on that. And, there's also about the charts and reading charts, which I will get into in another video. But for now, I just wanted to focus on the fundamentals, right? Such as, like I mentioned, their assets, their balance sheets, how they're doing in their market, their management team, the way analysts view them, the way the general consensus of them, even on social media, like go on Twitter, search the hashtag of the company you're looking at, see how they're viewed in the general public, because that also affects a lot. So it affects a lot of their performance in the market. So I really recommend you just stay on track with understanding the news of the company. You can do this through, like I said, Yahoo Finance, just searching up on Google, like Tesla, seeing different sources, reliable sources. And yeah, that's the way to go as to start off. I'll get more into it in another video, but this is just a brief way of how you should, in my opinion, get started investing in the stock markets.